Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. You remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1967 Chevrolet Nova True SS car. Very neat car, guys. Little history behind this thing. I bought this car from a very good customer of ours, Gabe. He's over in Pennsylvania. He's bought several cars from me. I bought a couple from him. But he's owned this car since 1989. Bought it right out of the showroom of a Chevrolet dealer over there. So it is an older restoration that is very well maintained. Gabe keeps this stuff really nice. But a factory super sport car. This is the original color combination. It's Granada gold with a gold vinyl interior, gold deluxe vinyl interior. You can see it's got the stock 14-inch wheels with the SS hubcaps. Neat car. Again, it is a real super sport factory color combination. We left the car alone. We kind of got it just how we got it from Gabe. Few little things you can nitpick as we walk around, because like I say, it is a older restoration, but very well maintained. As you walk around it, there's a couple little, things that you can pick at, but still very nice car, guys. Chrome and stainless is nice. They've definitely replaced those bumpers. Still got the bumperettes on it. I apologize, my voice is fading here. I've got cold coming on here, so nice car. Like I say, there's a couple little things you can kind of nitpick on it. I wish we had some sunshine, because that gold's pretty. That metallic pops when the sun hits it. Straight down the sides. I like I say, the old white walls with the spear caps. Again, this car was restored in the late 80s. 90,000 original miles. Looks like Gabe's put 2,000-3,000 miles on it since he's owned it. And he's got quite a few cars, so I'm sure he doesn't drive them a ton per year. He's got multiple cars that he got from me. Dual chrome mirrors. This is not the original engine, and it's a higher horsepower. It's the HH code 327, which I believe is a 300 horse. It's got 350 sticker on it, but it's got the double hump heads. They've upgraded the cam a little bit. It does have headers, 4-barrel. It's got manual steering. It has the factory drum brakes, but they've upgraded that to the dual line master cylinder. Original Power Glide automatic trans. A-pillar chrome's pretty dang nice. Stuff's nice here. Door seams are nice and clean. They're fading there in the door handle. Love, like I say, factory bucket seats with center console. It's got the deluxe interior in it. Headliner looks good. Steering wheel looks good. Love the gold on gold. Yeah, 90,348. Factory dash, got an aftermarket tach in it. Aftermarket gauges. AM radio, it's got an FM converter in the glove box. Dual exhaust. It has a 10-bolt 373 limited slip rear axle in it. Factory jack with spares in here. I think they put new floors in this car at one time. Other than that, it looks right. It's a good looking car. Sorry. Again, little fade there. Can't stress this to you enough right now. Make sure if you're looking at one of our cars, guys, pick up the phone and call us. 248-620-3355. Ton of scamming going on. People have cloned our Facebook page. They've cloned our website. So make sure you are speaking to us directly if you're looking at one of our cars. Nice little cam load to it. Good looking cars, man. Jack works, and fuel gauge works. I don't think the clock's not working in here. Everything opens and closes nice. For a nice little driver, I think you're going to like that car. Good old pressure, all the gauges work. It's got an FM converter in there. Well, it's coming in. There it goes. Yeah. Just has to warm up. It's got an FM converter in there. Blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. You can also subscribe to our website now. Get a notification whenever we post a new vehicle. I should have put a jacket on today.